syempre hindi ko naman kayo bibitinin like that. I will be teaching you exactly how you can move from being an order taker to become a strategic partner. So, step one, umpisahan kagad natin. I want you to accept the job and do exactly what you're told. Step two is to build trust by being an order taker. Parang sabi ko, kailangan mag-switch na. Hindi agad-agad. Kasi in the reality, kailangan muna alam ninyo kung ano yung pinaka-basic task. I admit, it probably sounds like a contradiction, but for you to become a trusted strategic partner, you need to build trust. Diba? And the best way for you to be able to build trust is by getting the little things done. Kasi you don't want to come in and make changes ng bonggang-bongga agad-agad. You need to show the client that you have the skills, that you are competent, na you can be trusted with bigger ideas. Okay? Because when I started implementing this plan, I did not try so many changes on day one. Okay? I took the time to really learn ano ba yung business ni client. How did the client do this? Paano ba siya mag-isip from the digital marketing perspective? And then my first several weeks were really just making sure that the basics are covered. Okay, and I was taking on smaller asks and I did not rock the boat too much. Huwag naman sobra-sobra na, ay, baguhin natin ang website, ay, baguhin natin ang business plan. Hindi gano'n. Okay, over time, I started to find ways where I can really implement change. Okay, paunti-unti lang muna tayo. And then, step three is where you will be getting quick wins. I want you to provide additional and unexpected value to the client. So this is where if you're familiar with Linktree, yan, as a social media marketer, you can start by doing or creating a Linktree for your client. Pwede kayo diyang magbigay ng sabihin mo na gagawan ko kita ng Linktree para mas organize lahat ng mga links mo. Okay? So yung mga call to actions natin, proceed to the link in bio kasi nandun na. Kunyari, may free webinar siya, nandun na sa Linktree, ganyan. So small, quick wins lang. Okay, let's say na since an SMM you want to optimize their profile, diba? So this is one way for you to do that. So I want you to think about quick wins lang muna. Okay? And then step number 4 is for you to ask big questions. Okay? Because this gives you and the client clarity. And pag sinabi nating big questions, I know tayo mga Pilipino, we're not used to asking questions. We always say yes, 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 we agree to things. But I want you to reframe your mindset in terms of this one because really asking questions would give you all the things that you would be needing for that project. And there is less resistance if that came from the client. Okay? So let me share with you another clip of me and my client. And I want you to note the questions that I ask because this will definitely help you. You can use this next discovery call mo. This would help you in terms of how you would show up in a discovery call or in a strategy call. Because this one is after our initial discovery call because I wanted to get started with the content strategy. I want to know ano bang type of content we need to produce. And that is why I had another sit down with my client just to go over the things that we need to know. And these are the questions that I really ask to help me understand the client's business further. So go ahead, put out your notes and write down all the questions that I asked.